Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Hot 40i and let me share with you how to check the IMEI number of this device. So let's start with the fastest way with the usage of the secret code. We have to open the dialer and enter a short code which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers of this device. So let's tap on OK and let me show you another way through the settings. So let's simply tap on it. Then we have to find my phone, which is at the very top of the list. Let's tap. And here we have to scroll down to more information, which is at the bottom. Tap on the phone information. And as you can see here, we've got both IMEI numbers for both SIM slots. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.